Okay, go no,
part
Bian
of that,
Kailin.
and he needs to be respected as part of that, even though after watching the events of last night, that does look a very, very difficult relationship to try and rebuild.
Joe, great stuff. Thank you for that. Keep an eye on the end of Downing Street, will you, for us? We'll be back with you in a few minutes' time. Now, though, I want to speak to Erasmus Jarl, MP in Denmark and chair of Denmark Defence Committee. Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much.
I want to get into the White House before we understand what you have. I just get you yesterday between the two men.
It's very shocking and it's that they are to keep safe from a European country, and that the Americans are pushing for Ukraine to surrender rather than push.
Kaya mas